Good afternoon. Today we will talk about the business plan of the company called Angeline Dessert. Angeline Dessert, Angeline Dessert especially in the production of the chocolate tiramisu in different presentation and addition. This product that will enter the market in different proportion of the size to the satisfy all the people who love chocolate. In first measure, the marketing that will be carried out the through the virtual platforms and the social networks, the where will attraction the attention of the potential clients and the with or different points of the sales surrounding public that will be covered as this and this a product that will be cover the need of the public in their different activities in the daily life that they want to enjoy or the spin with a dessert that convince the delicious tasty of the chocolate and lemon. Other products that they will have to the face are two that they already positioned in the market as the Ramo or Bimbo, especially with the two case the chocolate has. The strength of the taste company is that the brand already has possession in the market a variety of products. But one of the weaknesses is praise because they vary greatly depending of the sector where they already sold. Making of the product plus because the handling standard price and the ingredient combination make the product very well accepted by the market. The product will be sold online. The points of the salt that they are strategic located on the home. Customer will be convinced of the purchase because they will first have the taste of the additional product. The price are the accessible to the all, adding promotion and the customer service will allow the customer returning not only for the product but also for the attention they will receive. They will always be small the with the budget required to the access the business 100 millions pesos. The word is the planet to the investment in the 2 points of the sales. 15 millions for the rental of the two places, 14 millions in the machinery and the direct production, 15 millions transport equipment, 15 millions for the payroll and the 15 millions for investigation or the digital platforms. Our financial project is allowed. The product will on the market at the 3,000 pesos. We will have to the sell 100,000 units of the set that cover an initial investment. We'll put 18,000 the 100 tiramisu as the sales objective for month. These unit that will be delivered in the 2 points of the sales and the internet sales. Thank you very much.